So when you first unbox your 3700P, the first thing you want to do is put the wheels on. There's just a nut that goes on the axle there, slide the wheel on, that's it, done. But the most important thing is there's no oil in the engine. You need to put oil in the engine. The machine won't start without putting oil in the engine. There's an oil sump on either side and there's a little dipstick here. So basically you want to put oil right to the top of the dipstick. There's a H for high and L for low. It's got to be on H for high. And that's in the engine sump there. And the engine oil that it takes is 1030 engine oil. 1540 is fine, but they recommend in the book 1030. It also tells you actually on the label on the front there, again, it's 1030 engine oil. Now, the pump already comes with engine oil, with pump oil in, and you'll see on the side here, there's a little leaflet, and there's a bag, and that's got a breather plug in. Now, you need to remove the transport plug and screw in the breather plug. After you've done that and filled it with petrol, you're ready to go.